Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by confirming you know the current PIN and unlocking the phone. Once ready, open Settings, then tap Security or Lock Screen and select Screen Lock. Make sure the device has at least 20% battery and is on Wi-Fi so updates or account checks won't interrupt the process. If you have a work profile or device administrator app, note that it may block removing the PIN. Make sure personal accounts and admin apps are temporarily disabled before you proceed. You now choose the new screen lock. Tap Screen Lock Type and pick None or Swipe to remove the PIN. Android requires you to enter the current PIN to confirm. Once you enter it, the system will warn that fingerprints or face unlock might be removed. Confirm that you want to delete those. If Google or your device requests account verification, sign in with the linked account. Make sure to read on-screen prompts. They explain why certain methods are restricted on work or encrypted devices. Once you confirm, lock the phone and test. The lock screen should show None or Swipe and open without a PIN. If you can't select None because it's grayed out, check Device Admin Apps in Settings and disable any that enforce security, or remove the work profile and then try again. If encryption or corporate policies prevent removal, back up your data and consider a factory reset only as a last resort. If you get stuck, reboot and try again. Then contact your administrator if needed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.